Welcome to the Data Manipulation with Pandas and NumPy Full Stack Foundations course. Join NanoSchool's NSTC-accredited AI development track, India's leading deep science learning organization. In just 4 weeks, master advanced data manipulation with Pandas and NumPy, essential for AI pipelines. You'll learn advanced Pandas, NumPy mastery, data cleaning techniques, and how to build AI to production data pipelines. This course is ideal for data analysts, students, engineers, and researchers transitioning to AI-ready data engineering roles. Engage in hands-on projects, including an Indian startup data cleaner, healthcare feature pipeline, and an NSTC-reviewed capstone. Our 4-week syllabus covers advanced Pandas, NumPy deep dive, real-world data wrangling, and AI pipeline integration. Benefit from lifetime LMS access, real-world Indian datasets, NSTC mentorship, and an NSTC-accredited certificate. Enroll now for 2,999 rupees and join India's #1 AI school to supercharge your AI development career.